Imagine a luxury motorhome so futuristic that it looks like it came straight out of the year 2050. The moment you see this incredible Bugatti-inspired mega RV, it completely changes the idea of what a luxury home on wheels can be. This machine is not just an RV, not just a camper, and definitely not an ordinary motorhome. It is a rolling luxury mansion designed with hypercar DNA, advanced engineering, and futuristic architecture blended together into one massive creation. The front design instantly grabs attention with that iconic Bugatti-inspired horseshoe grille dominating the entire face of the vehicle. The aerodynamic body lines flow smoothly from the front to the rear, giving it the appearance of a giant futuristic supercar instead of a traditional truck-based motorhome. Every curve on this machine is designed for elegance and airflow, reducing drag while creating a bold luxury presence on the road. The massive LED light bar stretching across the upper front section gives it a cyberpunk appearance during nighttime driving. Those sharp futuristic headlights look aggressive yet premium, almost like the eyes of a high-tech robotic vehicle. Even while parked, this machine looks fast. The ultra-low stance combined with those oversized wheel arches creates a dramatic visual effect that makes the RV appear planted to the ground like a luxury sports car. One of the most insane features is the multi-axle wheel setup. Instead of standard RV wheels, this futuristic home uses multiple rear axles for stability, weight distribution, and smoother highway cruising. The wheels themselves feature an aerodynamic closed design that improves efficiency while adding to the futuristic appearance. Every detail on the exterior screams luxury engineering. As you move toward the side of the vehicle, you notice the expandable living section. This giant slide-out module transforms the RV into a full-size luxury apartment once parked. The side walls extend outward electronically, increasing the interior space dramatically. In seconds, the compact travel mode transforms into an enormous luxury suite capable of competing with elite penthouse apartments. The entrance stairs deploy automatically from underneath the body, glowing softly with integrated ambient lighting. The moment those steps appear, it feels less like entering a vehicle and more like boarding a futuristic luxury yacht. The oversized glass windows covering the sides allow panoramic views of the surroundings while also flooding the interior with natural light. Now imagine stepping inside this incredible machine. The interior is where things become truly unbelievable. Instead of a typical RV layout filled with cramped furniture and compact appliances, this concept focuses on open space luxury architecture. The cabin feels more like a modern billionaire penthouse than a mobile home. The main lounge area features ultra-premium leather seating with automated reclining functions, massage systems, heating, and cooling technology. Every seat is positioned to maximize comfort during long journeys. The smart glass windows can instantly switch from transparent to privacy mode with a single touch, creating a futuristic atmosphere throughout the cabin. The ceiling lighting system uses adaptive LED technology that changes color temperature depending on the time of day. During daytime travel, the lights remain bright and energizing, while nighttime mode creates a warm, relaxing atmosphere similar to a luxury hotel suite. Hidden ambient lighting strips flow throughout the floor, walls, and furniture, giving the interior a cinematic futuristic glow. At the center of the living room sits a massive transparent OLED entertainment display that rises electronically from the floor. This ultra-thin screen supports 8K resolution and transforms the lounge into a private luxury cinema. Combined with a high-end surround sound system integrated into the walls and ceiling, the entertainment experience becomes absolutely immersive. The flooring combines polished futuristic materials with soft luxury textures to create a balance between elegance and comfort. Every cabinet and storage compartment uses touch-sensitive automatic doors. There are no visible handles because the entire design philosophy focuses on minimalism and futuristic aesthetics. The kitchen area looks like something from a sci-fi movie. Instead of traditional appliances, the cooking zone uses hidden induction systems integrated directly into the countertop surface. Smart refrigerators automatically track food inventory and can even suggest meal plans. Robotic storage compartments rotate outward silently whenever needed. The dining area includes a floating-style luxury table surrounded by designer seating. The panoramic side windows beside the dining section create an incredible experience during road trips because passengers can enjoy breathtaking views while eating in complete luxury. Moving further inside, the master bedroom feels like a private suite inside a 7-star hotel. A king-size smart bed automatically adjusts firmness, temperature, and sleeping posture based on body movement. The walls include integrated soundproofing technology to create total silence during sleep, even while parked in busy environments. Above the bed, a giant digital skylight simulates natural skies, stars, sunsets, or even thunderstorms. Imagine sleeping inside a moving luxury mansion while watching a virtual galaxy above you. That alone makes this RV feel decades ahead of current technology. The wardrobe system uses automated rotating storage racks that maximize space efficiency. Premium lighting activates automatically whenever the closet doors open. Even the mirrors are interactive smart displays capable of showing weather updates, travel routes, health information, and daily schedules. Now let's talk about the bathroom because this area completely destroys expectations for mobile living. Instead of a small RV washroom, this futuristic concept includes a luxury spa-inspired bathroom with marble-style finishes, digital shower controls, and ambient mood lighting. The rainfall shower system adjusts water pressure automatically while intelligent climate control keeps the room comfortable at all times. The smart mirror includes augmented reality features capable of displaying skin analysis, weather forecasts, and travel information. There is even a compact sauna-style wellness section integrated into the rear portion of the bathroom, transforming the RV into a complete luxury relaxation center.